going to be presenting a game which I'm sure you will find interesting, dynamic and highly refreshing. Now the game is called Pronunciation Journey and it has 3 parts. I'll be showing the first part on screen and the second and third part later on. Now for the second and third part I'll be using this element, which is a die that you can get for about 300 or 400 pesos, but it's really cost effective, and once you get it you can create as many activities as you want. Now the first part consists of a listening activity, the second part consists of building sentences and pronouncing words, and the third part is about talking freely about yourself. If you're interested, don't miss this presentation.
This exercise is called Pronunciation Journey. Recognizing sounds of simple words. How to play the game. On the board, draw the map you will see later on, and then ask your students to draw it on a sheet. The map has been taken from the book Pronunciation Games by Mark Hancock. Alternatively, you can create your map with other destinations and even make copies of it for each of your students. Choose 4 pairs of words that differ in only one sound, also known as minimal pairs. Write the word pairs in 2 vertical columns on the board. Label the lists left and right. Tell your students that you are going to read words from the list at random and point out that at each of the number junctions there is a choice of turning left or right. When you read the words from the lists, students must turn left or right according to whether the word is from the left or the right hand of the list. When you have said the 4 words, students should then arrive at one of the destinations along at the top of the map. Examples of word pairs. In the left column, you have man, thought, sheep, place. On the right column, you have men, taught, sheep, place. Some of the words you choose will have to be related to the vocabulary you're working on in class, with a particular lesson, unit or topic. And this is the map of the journey. You start at number 1 and then you read words from the list, and then students should either recognize whether you read a word from the left or the right column, thus making a choice of turning left or right at the junction.
Now for the second part of the game, you can choose some of the words from the list to work on. Now I have chosen the word plays to show you as an example, and I have created a sentence using the word plays. Sarah always plays computer games. For this activity you can use a sheet of paper, no more than that. Now I'm going to be sliding the words into the plastic pockets of the die. See, this is very useful. Now I have used 5 words, of course you can use as many as 6 because of the die, right? Now it will be a student's task to order the words, put them in order, and then dictate to a partner or to the teacher the words in the right order. So he or she will have to build a sentence. Now, Sarah always plays computer games. He will have to dictate the words and another student will have to copy the sentence on the board, or you can copy yourself. Now you can have the students work in pairs or in groups or individually. Trust me, they have lots of fun. I mean, when you work in groups, they even pick on the words from the other group because they have lots of fun and they get really competitive. And now for the third part of the activity, what you do is read the sentences aloud and then you ask students some questions with the words that you just used. For example, you read, Sarah always plays computer games, and then you ask a certain student, what do you play? And then when do you play computer games or soccer or football, right? Now this is really interesting and fun and really engaging. If you want to make your lessons memorable, you can use one of these strategies. So, don't forget to stay tuned for more pronunciation tips. Write any comments, suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you like the video, share it with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you next time.